Now the next thing that we want to start with is the next chapter. It's very important one, by the way. Even if you're an administrator or even if you're a developer, it is very important for you. So it's deployment methodology. Code of API, yeah. Shubhendu will share it today, definitely. The metadata API and the REST API. So metadata API and the SOAP API's code will be shared today. Deployment methodology. So let's understand what exactly deployment methodology is. There is an org in which you are developing something, you are creating something, right? And there is another org in which you want to use this. This might be a sandbox, and this might be a production. So in this case, you need to understand that how we will migrate this component, or how we will migrate this functionality or this code from here to here. Okay, so that's one thing. Now let's say that this is a sandbox and this is also a sandbox. How to migrate this from here to here? That is also possible. That we'll understand. Imagine like this is a developer edition, which is the free one that we're using, and how to migrate something into the production, right? So imagine you've developed something into your developer edition, and that is something that you want to transfer to your production or someone else's production. Imagine you're working, a client of you has asked you to create an application in developer edition itself, and then after completing it, after testing it, the client wants it to be installed in their production, right? So this is transferring or migrating something from developer edition to production. We'll see how we can do that, right? What are the different possibilities with which we can do that? So all of these things we're going to cover under deployment methodology. Okay, by the way, can anyone tell me like how to transfer anything from a developer edition to another developer edition? Something you created in one, so like you created an application and this guy wants that application. How are you going to transfer it to his or her or his or uploading on app exchange? Without uploading it on app exchange, you cannot transfer it over there. And you, so data export and data import is basically related to the data, is basically related to the like records and everything. When it comes to migrating the application and the functionality, it's more about the metadata, right? So how you can do that? By creating a package, exactly. Perfect. By creating a package. So let's like this is exactly what we are going to talk about today in deployment methodologies, like how we can do all of this stuff, or how we can actually transfer one thing from one place to another, from one environment to another. Is it clear?